Hey, what's up, everybody? What's up, YouTube? I'm doing a how-to video on how to do the screen sling, whatever it is. It's just something I made real quick. Just wait. So while we're waiting, all right. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. So what you want to do first is go to Create New right here. All right. Just gonna open this new document. What you want to do is open the 8.5 by 11. All right. It's over here too. 8.5 by 11. 300 resolution. I'm gonna put it sideways, so 11 by 8.5. That's gonna turn the page sideways. All right, make sure everything is good. Then you press create. Make sure it's white. Then press create. Now it's gonna open this right here. All right, I have the paintbrush selected, so you want to press on this tool right here. The line, it'll bring customize. It'll bring up the arrow. See, you just put it on the screen. Then you click the move tool. Go to edit, transform to size it. Free transform, sorry. All right. Right click and go to wrap, and then just move it around. See, with the wrap over however you want, design however you want. Right, I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna move a couple of these lines right here. Get it to exactly how I want it to look. And you can do this any way, however you want to do it. So if you want it to be exact, just follow each step that I'm doing. I'm just moving all these dots around. Now, I normally don't have to do this. Professional people would say not to do it this way, but I'm just playing around with it, so just to show y'all. Anything can be created in Photoshop. I like that. Alright, so just press enter. Then you come back here, change it and make a regular box around it for the background. Alright, and then you can double click on this to change the color. I'm changing to black. Press OK. Alright, now take this layer right here and drag it below the shape layer. Alright, and that's this coming front. Now you can move it, make sure you click the move tool. Now go to effects, make sure you're on the shape layer, then press effects, then go to stroke. Now that puts the stroke around it, as you can see. I'm gonna change the color. Change it any color you would like. I like that right there. Alright, now we go here to the first one. The depth, change the depth on it. Chisel to soft, chisel soft, chisel soft, and chisel hard. There's a lot of different things you can go to here. Go down, go up. And once again, I'm just playing around with these, so you don't have to be exact. Just make it the way you want it to look. All right, this is how I made this. I just went in there, just did what I wanted to do. Right. When you click your blocks, when you click the box, it doesn't go exactly to the thing. You have to click on it like that. Alright, now I'm gonna change the texture. Can't really see it that well, so when you move it like this, you can see it a lot better. How it comes in like that. I like that. Alright, so I'm gonna press OK. Now I'm gonna go to the text tool. Alright, horizontal type tool. Just press on the screen and just start typing. At this point, I really didn't know what to write. I was trying to think of a name because this is just how to do it. This is a how-to video, so I don't really know. I just put anything. Alright, that's another layer. Make sure you clicked on that layer. Now go to edit, free transform again. Make sure you're on that layer, and then now you just size it. Make it whatever size you would like. And then make sure on the layer, press FX, go to stroke again. You can make the stroke as thick as you want by going to size, dragging that down. Make sure you're on stroke. Let's go to drop shadow, put a drop shadow on it. See, now put some depth on it, move it up and down. I actually like that right there. Spread it a little bit. That looks pretty good. Alright, so just go to OK. And that right there. Click on this layer right here, shape. Then you click effects. Add a drop shadow to it to make it match the logo a little bit. See how I actually see how this looks. Just play around with it, guys. That's how you get it better. Just got to play around with things to see what it does. Alright, y'all see that? I'll press OK. Now you still clicked on the shape layer. Alright, click the move tool. And you can just move this around. Make sure you're on the layer. Okay. Close these. Make sure you're on the shape layer. Now you go to it, click on it, and now you can move it to wherever you would like it. Position it. You can even go to edit, free transform again, and go to the side and rotate it. Make it sometimes look like something else. Bro, just rotate it to where you would like it. Right here look good. Let's rotate it a little bit. Yeah, that looks good right there. Should I rotate a little bit more? No, it looks good. Okay. So you just press enter to get out of that, guys. Alright. Now, what you want to do, go to file, save as. Alright. Photoshop, make sure it's a JPEG if you want to like post it online or anything like that. Alright, save and name it. And save. Press OK. And then minimize this, and it's right here on your desktop. Alright, and that is the video, guys. Oh, open it, there you go. And that is it. Appreciate you guys for looking. Make sure you subscribe, put a thumbs up, comment what you think. I should do more videos or what. And that's it. Have a good day. Peace out.